Hi friends, this is Rajesh Singh and you are watching Ayansh Tutorials. In this video lectures, you are going to practice or revise simple present tense. We know well that tense is the spirit of English grammar. Rules of tenses help one understand how to correctly use different tenses in a sentence without making a grammatical mistake and easily indicating what or when an event or action has occurred. So, video is very important. Watch this video from beginning to end without a skip. First of all, we should know the definitions of tense. Different forms of verb which tell us in which time the work is done is called tense. There are three tenses in English: present tense, past tense and future tense. Further, every tense, every three tense has four subdivisions. In this video, we are going to practice present tense. So first of all, we should know the definition of present tense. A verb that refers to present time is said to be in present tense. In present tense, there are four tenses: simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, and present perfect continuous tense. Now let's know the definition of simple present tense. Simple present tense is used to mention simply the time without being said about completeness or incompleteness of the action. Example: Nancy runs a parlor. The sun rises in the east. These sentences are in simple present tense. Principle of simple present tense. The verb of this sentence which ends with ta hai, ti hai, te hai, etc. is known as simple present tense. Rules. In this tense, auxiliary verb am is are is not used. Present tense form or V1 is used. In the verb of third person singular number, we add s or es. Or do or does helping verb is used in negative or interrogative sentences. Now we should know the structure. Structure for assertive sentences: I, we, you, they plural number plus V1 plus object. He, she, it singular number plus V1 plus s oblique es plus object. These are the structures for assertive or declarative sentences. Example: I speak English, they live in India. Negative sentences. We use I, we, you, they plural number plus do not plus V1 plus object. He, she, it singular number plus does not plus V1 plus object. Example: she does not play chess. I do not like cricket. These sentences are in simple present tense but in negative form. Now, interrogative sentence. Structure: do oblique does plus subject plus V1 plus object. Do you speak English? Does he play cricket? These are in interrogative sentence. Such a sentence which contains yes or no answer, that is called interrogative sentence. Now interrogative negative sentence. Don't oblique doesn't plus subject plus V1 plus object. Don't you take tea? Doesn't she read this book? Now next is WH word. Structure: what, where, when, which, who, whom, how, plus do oblique does plus subject plus V1 plus object. Where do you live in? How do you come here? These sentences are WH words. Friends, in this video you have practiced simple present tense. Hope you understood well. However, if you have any queries, doubt, feel good to write in comment box or comment sections in this video. Thank you. Bye. See you again.